Hey everybody. So, this is my first video in a couple of years. My apologies, my camera on my laptop is kind of subpar, but I'll replace it when I can. Anyway, this is the Life and Chronicles of a BBW, and I'm Marcel. I wanted to do my first impressions of this January 2019 Curl Kit. So of course it's packaged in the priority mail box. Curl Kit. This month they have, as usual, the little booklet in the front. This says Becoming What's Possible. And it shows you what's to come on the inside. So they have a little editor's note and product build up, what curls got to do with it, brand spotlight, behind the scene with candy curls, and hair and moisture, what you should know. So that's what's in this issue, this January 2019 issue. And looks like we're probably going to get some Candy Carols products in here because they're spotlighting Candy Carols, as you can see on the back. But I was wrong. I thought we were. But it looks like I have Ori Essentials Twisting Butter. I have this Heavenly Hair Moisture Shampoo, which I got a few months back, and I've used it, and I think it's very good. And I have two more products from Cream of Nature. They seem to be liking Cream of Nature's natural argan oil line. I get a lot of these, but this one I haven't gotten before. This one is called, and it says new on it. I don't know if you can see this. Moisture and Shine Curl Activated Cream. Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco for natural hair. And it comes in a pack like this, a little bag, which I appreciate because if there's any spillage, it's contained to this bag. This is a full-size product, which is one thing I love about Curl Kit. Full-size products. At $25, these four products, this is the third one, but the four products that they sent me this month, it pays for themselves, especially when you have children. I have 3 boys, and one would think that I wouldn't have to share hair products, but my oldest boy decided to grow his hair out. My middle child is also wanting to grow his hair out. So, it looks like I'm going to have to share. Anyway, this is Curl Activated Cream. I'm excited to see how this will work in my hair once I take these faux locks out. It says, instantly revives curls, anti-frizz, refreshes dry curls, great for detangling, which is awesome because my hair tangles so badly. I can't even do wash and goes. Like by the end of the day, my hair is already tangled up. So this is perfect for defined wash and goes and revitalizing curls. So we'll see. But moisturizes, activates, and defines curls with exotic shine. No petroleum or petroleum, sulfate, silicones, mineral oils. So that's this. And sorry if you hear the clicking. Something just popped up on my screen. Like I said, they gave me this before, and I do enjoy it. The Heavenly Hair Moisturizing Shampoo infused with argan oil and shea butter. This also has no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, paraffin, gluten, propylene glycol, mineral oil, synthetic fragrance, PABA synthetic color, DEA, or animal ingredients. And it says grow and strengthen the hair. I don't typically wash my hair on a regular basis. I usually decondition, co-wash, that kind of thing. Sorry for the noise in the background. It's the life of boys. So that's this. This is the Oreo Essentials Twisting Butter. Also, no sulfates, parabens, phthalates, paraffin, gluten, propylene glycol, mineral oil, synthetic dyes, or animal testing. And it's made with natural and organic ingredients. This is a 6-ounce jar. And my hair loves twist outs. It looks so nice and twist out. Wow. This is how it came. So it looks like, it smells pretty good, but it looks like spoiled cottage cheese or something. I don't know if it was supposed to come that way. Maybe because it's so thick, because it's not coming out, which is good. As far as consistency is concerned, it's pretty thick. Yeah, it's pretty thick, I would say. But obviously with faux locks, and I don't need to twist my hair, so we shall be saving these for when the faux locks come out. I've been wanting to do some passion twists, so we shall see. And the fourth and final product that they sent me this month is also from Cream of Nature, their argan oil line. Looks like I'm having a power surge. Wow. This is real life. Okay. There's Style and Shine Foaming Mousse, which I don't typically use foaming mousse, but I guess when I do more crochets and I need mousse, I got some. So as I was saying, 4 full-size products, and this is 7 fluid ounces. 4 full-size products for $25 a month is definitely worth it, especially if you're a product junkie like me. And I've been natural since 2011. December 28, 2011 is when I did my big chop. I decided to transition in July of that year. So since 2011, I've been natural. So it's been, actually I said 6 years. It's been 8 years. 7 years, sorry. Yeah, 7 years. Natural. I can't do math after 5, y'all. It's 5:30. I swear. But it says liquid gold on there. Y'all see that? Liquid gold. Do you see that liquid gold? That is so funny. Anyway, so that's it for this first video back. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and being with me all this time. I hope that I produce some content for you guys that you will enjoy. I do have topics that I want to talk about, but I don't want to put it on this video since it's just a first reaction video of the January 2019 curl kit. So I'm going to go before anybody bursts in my room as normal, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace, love, happiness. Bye.